All right, let's look at the homework 8, problem number 15. All right, so we want to find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum of this function here. All right, so let's do that. All right, so let's find the derivative first. F prime of x is equal to, right? So we just need to square the denominator. So we have quantity x squared plus 9 squared, right? And 2 is just a number, so I'll just put it right in front, right? So derivative of the top is 1 times the denominator is x squared plus 9. And then minus, right? Top is x times the derivative of the denominator, which is going to be 2x, right? So this is going to be, so 2 is still there, right? So you have a 9 is there, right? You have x squared and the minus 2x squared, so it's going to have a negative x squared. And we have, let's see, x, so on the denominator, x squared plus 9 squared, right? So let's find the critical number here, right? So this is going to be, let's see, so we have 2 here, and we can factor it out, so it's going to be 3 plus x times 3 minus x, and over, and you have a quantity x squared plus 9 squared. We set that equal to 0, then we're going to get, let's see, we can set the numerator equal to 0. So x is equal to plus or minus 3, right? So let's do a number line here, and so we can see what the increasing, decreasing behavior is. All right, so it's going to be, we're going to need the tick marks at -3 and a +3. Right, so we're going to look at the sign of f prime. So anything before smaller than -3, so I'll try -4. Right, so we put -4 there, so it's a -4. So it's a -4, it's negative. And the 3 minus, so this is going to be positive, so this is going to be negative here. Right? And then between -3 and 3, so I'm going to try f prime of 0 or something like that. So if you put 0 here, 0 here, it's both positive, so it's positive there. And f prime of anything bigger than 3, so I'll try 4. So you have a 3 plus 4 is positive, 3 minus 4 is negative, so it's positive times negative is negative. All right, so we have this behavior. Original function here is decreasing in the beginning, right, and increasing in between, right, and decreasing afterwards, right. Then if you notice that, let's see, it's going to actually more or less this type of shape. If you sketched a ballpark picture, right. Alright, so it's going to actually go through the origin here, because x equals 0 and y equals 0, it goes through there. And so it's going to, in the beginning, so on the negative side, when x is negative, the function value is always negative. So it never actually crosses here. It's starting from here, and then decreasing, and peaks at the -3. And then it does the same thing, it peaks at the +3, then stay positive, but it's keep on decreasing. All right, so we know that the right here at +3, you're going to get the absolute maximum, and at -3, it's going to be our absolute minimum, right? So this happens at the -3, right? So let's type in what do we want. All right, absolute minimum is at -3, so we know that. And we just have to plug in -3, so it's going to be a -6 on top. And then you have a -3 squared is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, so we put 18. But the 6 and the 18 is a multiple of 6, so 18 divided by 6 is 3. 3 and 6 divided by 6 is 1, so it's going to be -1/3. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, absolute maximum is going to be, it's really the same thing, but they're going to plug in +3, but you're going to get same value but with a different sign, so it's going to be 1/3. All right, check the answer. We got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.